The diabetes self-management class, it gave me the tools to go out and into the store and do my shopping as far as what I needed to get and how much I could eat, and basically plan out a meal that I could have.
When we went to restaurants, we would look before we went to the restaurants, because you can go out and eat and still watch your carb intake and stuff like that too.
So the class actually helped us go to restaurants and know which ones we could still eat and still eat healthy. The turning point for me was one day I got up and was doing my normal pill routine in the morning, and I just come to the realization that I can't do this the rest of my life. And that was like a starting, but the point that got me to actually go over was when I went to my son's wedding out in Colorado in the mountains, and I couldn't do anything. And that pretty much put the lid on it, saying, I got to do this. I would recommend Genesis to my family and friends, and just to get to the class and take it before you actually get to the point where you have diabetes.